Alright guys. Alright guys. Alright guys. Today I'm making the Christmas list. As you can see. And I don't know which to make, so comment down below. I'm thinking of a hoverboard, but I don't think I'm gonna get it. Oh, I know. Alright, oh my god. Oh, yeah. And then I'm gonna like, a second. Alright guys. So that's a heavy stone, right? Alright. I'm just gonna write hoverboard because I forgot something good. I don't know what the camera. Right there. Alright. This is how it looks so far. Alright. I'm gonna get some more colors. And I'm already using pink, but I don't know which to use. Oh, this is Johnson. Oh, come on. Now, doing a video before my phone dies. Let's keep on going. A YouTube channel. I need my own YouTube channel. I need another YouTube channel. Shut up. No one likes that song.
You don't like it, that's it.
Nobody else.
Will like it once you. Because you're a hater, Adrian. Not like.
Why is there 4% on my phone camera? Alright. Why one more. I'm gonna show you guys. I did this one. A YouTube channel. Real.
Kiki, do you love me? Well, take it easy, man.
You know, I'm gone.